Hey there, and welcome back to yet another episode of Young Gentleman's Guide. And today we're going to be unboxing yet another SprezzaBox. Alright, firstly, if you don't know what SprezzaBox is, it is basically a monthly subscription box filled with gentleman accessories. For example, filled with like ties, maybe a business card holder, lapel pins, pocket square, stuff like that. And how it works is each month they'll send you an email with 3 different boxes, and each box is different. So send you 3 different boxes, 3 or 4, and then you look through, see which one you want. Say, hey, I like this box. You tell them, they'll send you that box. Or if you don't like any of them, you just hit skip month. So it's pretty much a subscription box with about 75% control. A lot of other ones, they just say, here, this is what you get, and you take it. But this one gives you a little bit more control. So now we know what it is, we're going to start by unboxing it. It comes with a little wrap. You just cut that open or rip it off, but I just got a pocket knife not too long ago, so I like cutting it open. Get that off, and bam. Although you see it like this, this is actually the bottom. Well, never mind, scratch that, it's the top, but you gotta pull the bottom and open it up. So when you open it up, this is inside. Now, although you do have choice, it sends you at the beginning of the month. By the time it comes around, you kind of forget what's inside. So right here, I have some nectar. I think these are sunglasses. I can't remember. Yeah, sunglasses. Ooh, all right. I like these. I could work with these. Some nice sunglasses. I like this tie. This tie goes well with this shirt, but this tie is actually from last month's SprezzaBox. All right. Of course, some socks. You almost always get socks with some form of tie. This go around instead of a tie, which is a bow tie, which I was eager to get. Oh. Yep, a bow tie. Don't worry, I'll be dropping a video on how to tie one of these soon enough. I do like this color. A little different than I thought it was. I've never actually had a real bow tie, so I was very excited about that. I had to come back to this, but we have a little pocket square. I actually think I have another one that's plain white like this and very similar. If I do, I'm gonna be slightly disappointed, but not too disappointed. In this little pack, oh yeah, my lapel pin. And this one has an airplane lapel pin. Can't tell you why, but this is a nice little lapel pin. Ideally, the lapel pin will go on your suit jacket, and you will stick it on like the collar area. That I currently don't have my suit jacket with me, but when I do get it, I will most definitely put it on and show you guys how to rock lapel pins. Because who doesn't want to rock one of those? I'm going to put that back. And now let's move on to the review. Firstly, 1, 2, 3, the tie, 4, 5. Alright, so 5 things. So each month you get about anywhere between 4 and 6 things. I like that. Like I said, you choose your own boxes. So I don't really have anything negative to say about this. I was actually stuck between this and another box. It's kind of hard to have something negative to say about something you chose. So that's one thing I really like about this box. So it is a great box. I do like the subscription. And I chose the box. So they gave me 3 boxes. Like I kind of broke it down already. And this is the one that I selected. So when you select something, I knew exactly what I was getting. Obviously, I forgot a little bit. I forgot about the socks. I forgot about the lapel pin and the pocket square. But I kind of remembered that I was going to get a bow tie and glasses. So that's one thing. Again, like I said in my last SprezzaBox review, it's not too much surprise. But that's also kind of like a good thing. Like me, I kind of like the surprise. So I kind of like this one because I get choice in it. But I forget most of the time. And then I get it. But it's kind of it's kind of 50-50, you know, because some of them, I'm not going to throw names, but some of them, it's just completely random. It's just, you get A, B, and C. That's it. And then some of them, it's 50-50. Maybe you get this, maybe you get that. You don't really know. So, to me, I think it is a very good box. It's not very expensive. You get a lot of choice in what you want. In fact, you get full choice in what you want. Because if you don't want it, you just say, I don't want it. But, yeah. That's pretty much a simple review. Just a reminder, I am going to be doing another video comparing this one to this month's Gentleman's Box. And then next month, I'll do the unboxing and individual review. And then those two's comparison. And then finally, I'll do a 3-month comparison of them all. So it'll be like the 3 months worth of SprezzaBox and 3 months worth of Gentleman's Box. That's just a little sneak peek of what's coming up. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And I look forward to seeing you next time.